guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade, and I stopped into Publix to go in the deli section and try their Meatless Turkey Club. It includes Unreal Deli roasted turkey, lifelike smart bacon, chow vegan cheese, vegan ranch, lettuce, tomatoes. I did top with pickles, salt, pepper, and oregano. As you can see here, they are just now preparing my sub. Right here, I think they're putting on the vegan cheese. Here they are putting on the Unreal Deli roasted vegan turkey. This is the vegan bacon. One quick tip though, I did notice their line. It was kind of long and it took forever. So definitely order it online for pickup. I noticed that was much quicker. They are topping now with the lettuce and tomatoes and the pickles. Now it's time to get ready to cut it. I wanted it cut in half. They nicely wrap them up separately, which makes it easier if you want one half for lunch, maybe the other half for dinner. So this makes it a lot more convenient. Now it's time to head out, take this home, and try it. So here's how it looks close up. It's definitely looking like the regular sub. Here's one more look before I take a bite. And y'all, it's so good. I got some on my chin, had to wipe it off, but this is so tasty. You can't even tell this is vegan. I was actually very shocked. I don't think I've really tried the vegan deli meats. So this actually amazed me at the taste and the texture of it. They nailed the flavor. They get a 10 out of 10. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.